guys, we are at the Bilmar Beach Resort in Treasure Island, Florida. It is June, what day? It's June 2025. This is the Palms Tower, 6th floor. This is the 2 queen with kitchenette and a balcony. So when you first walk in, here is a closet with the typical ironing board, luggage rack, safe. And here's another closet, but we have our big cooler blocking it. But some storage. We just put our luggage there. Here's some adorable little hooks to hang your things. Let's see, when you come in here, it's a sliding door. It's the bathroom. The only problem we had, I noticed there was lotion, but there's no hand soap, so I brought a little palm olive, so I used that. And then here's a tub shower. And there is shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And here's the 2 queens. Here's the kitchenette. So inside the drawers, there's plates, cups, utensils, pots, pans. See, here's like a little oven. Let's see. So here's some utensils and a cutting board and pots and pans. Then up here, I believe is a toaster. Yeah, there's a toaster up here. Microwave. And here's the sink. And then here is plates, cups, and then some stuff for your coffee. And then under here is the garbage can and fridge. So when you check in, you'll get like this little book, and it'll tell you with the map of the property. I'm upside down, I'm sorry. So we're right here in the Palms building overlooking this pool. Here's Sloppy Joe's. And then there is another pool over there. And it just tells you all about what you get. You also get 2 kids free breakfast and a $5 gift certificate for Sloppy Joe's. You also get 2 beach chairs, bike rentals, what else? Stand-up paddleboard or the kayak for 1 hour. So here's the beds, and then coming out. And they do have a like sliding screen, so if you wanted to keep this open. However, the air conditioner inside does turn off when this is open, even with the screen, so just heads up. This property is non-smoking. So here is our gorgeous view of the Gulf. There's a storm brewing out there. And then down here is one of the pools. And Sloppy Joe's. And right now, they're still in recovery after the hurricanes, when they got hit real bad last year by 2 hurricanes. So everything that's on the first floor is still closed. So the hotel lobby is actually inside Sloppy Joe's right now. But everything else has been wonderful. There's a couple things that are closed, like the gym and one of the little small restaurants, but there's so much to do here in Treasure Island that it's okay. All right, we absolutely love it here. We hope you do too. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think about the Bilmar or about Treasure Island, and if you plan on coming. See y'all soon.